What's going on, everybody? Captain 26 here, and today's episode originally was going to be footage from Cars and Coffee, which I did go to, and I did get a whole bunch of footage. Unfortunately, when I got home and I put my my SD card in the computer, the files were corrupted and everything was wiped clean. So unfortunately, all the cool Cars and Coffee footage that I did have, I don't have anything to edit or put up. I tried recovering the files, but that's not happening. So I felt like making a video today anyways, even though Cars and Coffee's over. I have to go get a few things for the Evo. One being the O-rings for the dipstick, because like I said in my last video, in the maintenance video, the dipstick under wide open throttle will come off because the O-rings are a little worn out. So I'm gonna try to go track down, I think it's a 9mm O-ring, try to get 2 of them. And then I wanna do the transmission oil. So I need to go find some gear oil, 75W90. So I'm gonna be on the hunt for that, and I'm bringing along my trusty companion over here, my daughter Olivia. She absolutely loves the Evo right now. She actually calls him a queen, and she's kind of bummed out because we're taking my wife's vehicle instead of the Evo. I just didn't feel like moving the car seat over and all that. But we're gonna go check out some of the local hardware stores and a few of the automotive stores. I might go check out Autobacks, and I'm looking for a shift knob for the Evo and maybe a shift boot. So we'll pick back up once we get there. Short drive, but when we get there, I'll show you guys what local hardware stores look like and what the auto stores out here. Essentially like our auto zone, what we have in the States, so you guys can see what that looks like. So we'll pick back up there. So I'll run the camera a little bit on the way there so you guys can see what my neighborhood looks like. This is the town of Tsunabe. It's pretty close to Kadena Air Base. That's where I work. As, in case you didn't know, I'm active duty Air Force. It's about 5 minutes away from the base, so it's not too far of a drive. It's actually pretty convenient. But this is what the streets of Okinawa look like. It's a little car dealership over here. It's a 350Z with a body kit for sale. Might be doing a cars for sale video here in the very near future. Spencer, your car bro, the guy I bought the Evo from, he went around a bunch of different local dealerships and kind of showcased what cars look like and you know, what the prices are for cars here in Japan. And now that he's gone, he's back in the mainland, I figured I might as well pick it up where he left off and show you all what the car dealerships out here look like. So let me know in the comments below if that's something you're interested in, if you want to see some cars for sale here in Japan. R33, that's my buddy David driving by. Alright, so our first stop is going to be at Makeman, and these are recognizable by this monkey with a little hammer and a pencil behind his ear. My daughter loves it. She calls it the monkey store. Nice little Fair Lady Z.
Monkey store.
Yeah, we're at the monkey store. So we are now inside the do-it-yourself portion of Makeman, and I'm gonna try to track down an O-ring. See O-rings, but not the size I'm looking for. Oh, maybe over here. Wait a minute, there's a whole nother section over here. I didn't even see these. Boom, 9. So give that one a try. Before we head to Autobacks, we're gonna check out the automotive section here. Bunch of cleaning supplies, different detailing products. It's all scratch repair, paint repair. Everybody's favorite sticker right there. Yeah, go ahead and comment below if you know what this stands for. I didn't plan on getting a mirror today, but I do need a new rear view mirror. I always like putting the larger, oversized ones on. And a huge selection of air fresheners. And then in Japan, you see a lot of air fresheners with this symbol that look like this. They're not what you think they are. They're just for hemp. I don't think Japanese really smoke a lot of marijuana out here, but you'll see them driving around and they'll have these leaves. So completely different meaning here than back in the States. They even have a pet section over here in MakeMan. Here's something you don't see every day in Okinawa. A left-hand drive Camaro. So we're leaving American Village, but before we get back on the main road, I'm gonna sweep through the parking lot where Cars and Coffee was earlier. Maybe there's some parked cars that people left, and we'll check them out, see if we can get some shots. Can't make any promises though. So earlier today, this was full of JDM legends. Now you can see, not so much. However, Thurgood, the owner, or not the owner, the starter of Cars and Coffee, there's his Supra right there. There's a Mark III. Hey, there's that GTO. I think that's the one I saw the other day. Actually, no, it's a little different. We'll go ahead and loop around, see if there's anything else. Sorry, it's not too exciting. I'm just trying to make up for the video footage that was deleted earlier. So there's a nice S14. It's a 370Z. A drift missile, a little chaser. And a nice FD. So I'm having technical difficulties all over the place right now. My good camera that I use for filming Cars and Coffee, the battery just died on it. So I had to switch over to the GoPro. Thankfully, I have my GoPro on me. So in case you're wondering why the footage looks a little different, maybe the auto quality is a little bit different. But we're now pulling into auto backs. Here's the auto bay. You can see some of the cars being worked on. And it looks like we've got a Skyline over here. Really nice GTR. Check it out. You can even get HKS parts here. Different boost tees. Actually, I do need some exhaust hangers. Perfect. Alright, here are the shift knobs. So which one will look good on the Evo? Carbon fiber ball. It's the one I had on my GTR right here. So I think we're gonna go with this one. I really liked it on my GTR, and I should have actually taken it out when I sold the car because I had the original shift knob and put that one back in. But 362 grams, it's pretty heavy. It's real solid, so when you're going through the gears, it's pretty easy. Just throw it in there and it goes. So we're gonna get, what else do we have in here? What are you getting for Dada's car? Can we put that in there?
Yeah.
It's a little heavy. All sorts of different LEDs over here. Really want to bling the car out. All sorts of different headlights. Bunch of different LEDs. We even have dash lights over here. We've got some rim stickers. It's Olivia's favorite aisle right here, all the Mickey Minnie stuff.
one.
It's a fuzzy one?
It's one.
Come on.
Huh? It's one.
I don't know, what do you think? This might look kind of cool in the Evo. Spice up the interior a little bit. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, if I could pull this off or not.
Oh,
Car's got the red and black theme, so maybe. You like that one?
yes. Oh,
Here. Only 99 yen. That's $1, folks, for an iPhone cable. So we're gonna give that one a shot. So I did find gear oil. However, it's about $23 per, looks like a quart, and I know on base they have royal purple for a little bit less, so I'd rather go with that. But we do have options. There's some black and red work emotions up there. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. Sorry I wasn't able to get the cars and coffee footage like I planned to. Hopefully this made up for it a little bit. I'm not going to do the O-ring right now. I got a party to go to here in a little bit, birthday party. So I'll get that on another video, and I want to charge up my good camera. But in the next video, you guys can expect to see the O-rings. Hopefully they fit, fingers crossed. I'm going to put the shift knob on, and I'm going to do the exhaust hanger, because the exhaust is a little loose right now. The hanger is a little worn out. When I had the car up on the lift the other day, I noticed they were kind of rotting a little bit, so I got some fresh hangers, and I'll do the mirror, the rear view mirror. It's super easy. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Throw me a like, share, and I will catch you on the next video. And Olivia, do you have anything to add? No, I think she's good. She's a little tired too. So we'll see you on the next video. Peace.